my channel. My name is Sonia, and in today's video I'm going to do something a little different. I am going to share a haul, and this haul will be related to stuff that I will be doing later this month, like decorating my bedroom and refreshing it, because I have not touched it since Christmas. So it's bare, it's got no decor in it or anything, so it's time to get it all decorated and set up. But there's also a couple other things in there. I also want to say that this haul is in collaboration with Temu. They were kind enough to send me some items I have picked out, and some items they had sent as extras, and I'm super excited to share them all with you. And I also want to say, if you haven't had a chance to check out Temu, make sure you do so. Also, I encourage you to download their app, because the deals are so good on their app, and they have so many wonderful things on there. Like if you're looking for kitchen organization, kitchen decor, home decor, things for, I was actually even looking for things for my daycare. As you can see, I had restarted running a home daycare, so they have lots of stuff like organizing your strollers. That's primarily what I was looking at, but they also have other items that you can use in your daycare. But without further ado, I'm going to get started. I also want to say that I do have a discount code as well if you want to use it. It is 30% off. I will leave it in the description box and in a pinned comment for you to check that out. So I'm going to dig right in. I'm going to tell you which items I had picked out and which items they sent as extras. So the first item that I'm going to show you is this heart-shaped, it's like a throw rug type of thing. I thought this is going to look wonderful on my makeup chair as a tossover. I've seen all these videos where they do their bedrooms, and if they have like a desk, a makeup vanity type of thing, they have a nice plush, nice fur throw over it, and I thought this would look really nice. And my chair's kind of plastic, so this will definitely dress up. This is an item that I did not pick out, but they did send it to me, and I thought it was going to be perfect for that. So next, why don't I first show you items that I am going to use in my bedroom. So I had picked this out. This is a quilt set, a soft luxury bedding. It is, I did have a price here to tell you how much it was. It was $58.98, and it comes with reversible. So I picked out the king size set. It's a quilt and 2 shams, and you can machine wash it. You can even throw it in a dryer on low. Obviously, do not use bleach. But I love the pattern that's on it. So I'm going to show you. Actually, I have it right here. It's a little hard to show, so that's why I thought I will make a video where I redo my bedroom and you can see it. I really wanted something simple, something more neutral that's gonna go with all the colors that I have in my bedroom, and I thought this was perfect. And also I wanted something that's lightweight for the summer as well. I do run hot so I'm always looking for something lighter, and you can even throw it over your comforter if you do want to use it in other seasons as well. And here are the 2 large shams, king size obviously, which I love to have a decorative one along with some sheet sets. So I can't wait to redo my bedroom. It just needs to be redone so bad, and this is perfect for it. And I'm not sure if I'm going to also use these, but I did pick up these, order these. Now these were think these were $6.39 each. They're really, it says navy blue. I do find them a little bit darker than navy blue anyways. They appear that to me. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use these in my family room because I do have a lot of black in my family room, but they do have a little design. It's really, really hard to see, but I will have all the products linked down below so you can check them out. And I love pillowcases because they don't take up as much room as pillows. And I love changing out my pillows all the time. And so those are items that I had picked out for my bedroom, and they had also sent me this item, which is, I'm not quite sure what this is called, but it's a tray. It is a beautiful tray with little gold legs, feet, and then it has a really nice pattern on it, and I thought this will look so nice on my on top of my makeup table, and I can put all of my skincare in here or all the brushes in here. I think it's just going to be perfect. Right now I just have a simple tray on there, nothing really that looks this nice, and I thought this would look so pretty. But another place that you could use it, and I was even thinking about it, not sure how the gold would go in, but in my kitchen, and you could put your like oils, if you have oils, or if you have coffee syrups in a nice bottles, you could put that in here as well. I mean, you can really, or you can use it as a decorative tray and add your greenery or whatnot to decorate your table or even your coffee table. So really this has so many uses for it, and they are so well priced on their website. And the shipping was super quick. I think everything came in less than a week for sure. Everything was here, and the nice thing is they are just starting up in Canada. They've been in the US for a while, but they are just starting up in Canada, so definitely check them out if you want good deals and tons and tons of selection. I could have spent so much money on there just shopping around for different items, especially for my kitchen, because I'm still working through it and getting things for it and just figuring out which way I want to go. This time I didn't want to focus on my bedroom, so that is what my starting point for this was. And I think I had gotten some pretty good pieces to change up my space. So now I'm going to, I think I am done with my bedroom stuff, so I'm going to share a couple other pieces. Now these pillow covers were sent to me, but I do know how much they are because I was looking at some of the other ones. They were just sold out. So this is obviously for the summer theme. I thought this would look good either on my front porch or on my little console table at the front of the in my front foyer. I think that's gonna look so nice. And this one, if it's like, they're so well priced, and the one thing that I like about them is that I don't have to buy a set of 4. I can just buy one. So I'm pretty sure this one price range is of about $3. So, and it's a good size too, so I should be able to fit some my pillows that I have here. And then another one is this one, and I think it's so pretty for the summer. But can you guys make a suggestion where I could put this pillow? Now I was thinking even putting it on my chair in my family room that is right next to my kitchen. I thought this would look really cute on there. I don't really have a stool in a kitchen that this would go on, that it wouldn't bother everybody, but I could also just put it on my front foyer table as well. I think that would look good too, because it has really nice flowers on it and it looks really good. So, but if you have a suggestion where you think I should put it, leave me a comment down below. So, and some of the pillows in that grouping, I think, range for about $3.98. So very, very affordable. And if you use your 30% coupon, it's even better. And the one thing that I did order, and I thought it was going to be perfect for the summer, is the lemonade. If life gives you lemons, make lemonade sign. You guys know how much I like my lemons, and I can't wait to start decorating for the summer, which is coming soon enough. And I can't wait to use this sign in my decor. I love signs. I know that some people don't, but I do love signs. And a couple other items that they had sent me. If you follow me on Instagram or even over on my vlogging channel, you know I like to make my pre-workout in fun little cups or mugs, or yeah, cups or cuppies or whatever you want to call them. So they send me this one. It is glass with a bamboo lid and a glass straw and a nice blue design, a blue color on both, which I think is perfect, and I can't wait to wash it and start using it for my morning pre-workout. Gotta be fancy before I work out, so that way even more motivation to get working out. And then a couple items that they also sent me were, these are ice tray, 3 hearts and 3 roses. Ice trays. They're silicone. I'm gonna open them so I can show you what they look like. So they have a lid, and you can make cute little ice trays. I thought this would look so pretty for Mother's Day, to make some really nice ice cubes for, you know, maybe some cocktails is what I'm trying to say here. And I think both the hearts would look good, but I think the roses would be perfect for little ice, for cocktails for Mother's Day brunch, or I mean any cocktails for anything. These ice cubes would look good, but I thought Mother's Day would be perfect. And then I also got some cookie cutters, which for my, I think these are cookie cutters. Three-piece set. They're molds. So this is what they look like. I'm not quite sure what these are supposed to. Okay, now I get it. I think you can even make pancakes in here, or you can use them also as cookie cutters as well. I think that's kind of cute. But or you can even cut out sandwiches, or like I said, you can use them for pancakes, little mini pancakes, which are perfect for my daycare. So there's a bear one. I'll open it so you can show you. There we go. There. And there's also a couple more. There's a little flower and a circle and a heart. So I think these are cute. I think the kids would get a kick out of it if I made pancakes in them, but I'm sure you can use them for cookies as well. So I am very excited for all these products, and like I said, make sure you check them out. I will leave a link down below, and also don't forget to check out their app, because they offer even more deals on their app. So make sure you check that out. Give it a try. Check out all the household decor and all the household organization, and really everything. I've seen purses, I've seen small appliances, I've seen lots of different stuff. So little something for everybody. So like I said, encourage you to check them out. And if you do find something, don't forget to use the 30% coupon that will be linked down below. And you know what, if you get something, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see what you got. and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.